An exquisitely machined part is like the perfect partnership. At Innovative Castings, we work with industry leaders in the automotive, aeronautical, agricultural, construction, and heavy-duty diesel industries that require complete machined prototypes and low-volume production runs. Together, ICT, dual tech, and innovative 3D manufacturing can accelerate your product development cycles, which will reduce your time to market. Our 3D metal printing at Innovative 3D Manufacturing can print aluminum, titanium, multiple stainless steels, and multiple high nickel-based super alloys for the aerospace, defense, medical, and automotive industries. The dedication of our team and the skill level within our shops is without equal in American manufacturing. Our best possible complement is your next purchase order. Contact us today with any questions or for a quote. www.innovative-castings.com